Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you are going to put a content on your YouTube channel. So as you can see here on my home section, I do not have any content. So how you are going to put content here on the bottom when a viewers search your channel. Okay, so let's do it together. First, you are going to open a tab and then open YouTube. Then go to your channel. So that's your channel. Go to your channel. So this is your home section. And then here on this part, if you can see my cursor, if you can see here, you are going to click this part. So customize your channel, click that. And here you can see here featured sections. So this is the place where you are going to customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 10 sections. So it's gonna be 10 sections and it will publish on your YouTube homepage. Okay, let's do it. You are going to click add section, and here on this part you have all the choices here. So you either use uploads, members only videos, popular uploads, short videos, live now, past live streams, upcoming live streams, or you are going to add your playlist. So here it's single, created playlist, multiple. And here you either click subscriptions, featured channels. So it's up to you which one would you prefer to put on your homepage section or homepage layout. For me, I rather click my popular uploads. So I'm going to click that. As you can see here, it pop up all my popular uploads. So meaning to say those videos that I've made that has a lot of viewers or views. And I want to add also the my latest upload videos. So I'm going to click here, upload. Okay, let me show you again. This is my first layout, or that's my first content, and then click add section and click uploads, or you either choose live now. It's up to you. You are just click here or choose one. I choose uploads. Okay, so there you go. And after you click it, or after you did this or choose your section, you are going to publish it. Don't forget to click this part. Or if you want, you can view your channel first, but for me, I rather publish it first and then later on view it. Okay, so as you can see here, I did save the content that I wanted to show it on my homepage section. Okay, now I'm going to click view channel to check whether it is there or not. Click that and let's see. There you go. Okay, so as you can see before, there wasn't this part. But now, as you can see, it's already pop up, and your viewers can just search it right away. So your viewers can just click play all, hear all your popular uploads, or they can just click your latest videos. It's up to them. And then if you want, you can also add your playlist. Okay, let's do that. Again, go back to your customize channel, and let's add my playlist. So as you can see now, I only added 2 sections here, which are popular uploads and my latest videos. Now I want to add my playlist. Okay, so I can put multiple playlists. So I'm going to choose which one I want to pop up, or which one I wanted to show, or my viewers can see it right away. So I prefer to click technology, and I think about educational and about crafts, and then click done. Okay, so it's already there. And then now I am going to click publish. Always click that part. Okay, so it's saved already. Now I'm going to view my channel. Okay, there you go. Okay, so it's already there, and let's check. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my channel, and here, if you are a viewer, you can see my content. So there's already a content here. Okay, let's remove my content, and let's see what will happen. Okay, I click customize videos. Now I am going to add this. I am going to remove this part for you to see that this is very important for your viewers. And then I did remove it. Now I'm going to save or publish it. So now when my viewers click it, there was no content. Oh, it's there, but wait, I need to refresh it. I need to refresh it because it takes few minutes to activate it. Going to remove some of my browser. Okay, click YouTube. Oh, it's still there. I don't know why. Yeah, but let's wait for a few more minutes. It's supposed to be the thing that I wanted to show you. It's this one. It should be removed because that's my content. Let's wait a little bit for you to see the effect. Okay, so those are the channel that I subscribed, and they just uploaded their new videos. Okay, you can subscribe to their channel too. Oh, there you go, it's working now. Okay, so here, as you can see now, I do not have content. See how it works? It's so cool. So remember, if you want to have a continuous videos here on the bottom or on your home page, you should have a content. Okay, I am going to add my content back. So I click customize videos, then add section. I want to put first popular uploads, and then next is upload videos, and then my playlist. I want to have multiple playlists. First, technology, educational, crafts. Oh no, I will change my educational into I think foods. Okay, and then click done. Okay, so like what happened before, it will take time to activate it, but don't forget to click publish. Okay, and we'll see. Okay, so as you can see here again, it will take time to activate it. So wait for a few minutes and then it will show your content. Okay, I'm going back. Okay, it's not yet here, so let's wait. Oh, there you go. Okay, so now it's activated now. And as you can see here, that's my multiple playlists. Really cool, right? Okay, so guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click subscribe to my channel. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget to click the bell button here to notified every time I uploaded a new video. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!